Okay, so today we're going to check out some new updated threshold effect here in Photoshop. Of course, you're going to find these features in the latest Photoshop updates, so let's take a look. So in order to achieve the threshold, all you need to do is go to Adjustments and select the good old threshold. And it's going to add some crazy amount of contrast, pure black and white. You can drag the handle up and down, and the results are going to be quite average. So for that, what I used to do is add a solid color, and after that go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, and Convert. And then here you can switch it up to Overlay and drag it under the threshold and then modify the threshold slider. So now you got like more information going on. You can see the image is way more clear. Now instead of this color fill with noise, what we're going to need to do is uncheck this, and let's go back to the adjustments. And here we got a new feature which is called grain. And we're going to add the grain, increase the amount, and check this out. This is going to make a way smoother results with this handle, of course. And I'm going to go back to the threshold and readjust the handle of the threshold. And now you get some different results rather than adding just a simple noise. And pretty much that's it. I think so far this is the best method. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.